Hello there. In this module, we'll cover refining your Facebook ads to increase conversions to your site through 4 optimization strategies. Creating Facebook ad campaigns requires a lot of optimizations, tests, and patience. Testing will assist you to determine the changes that are required to be made to your ad campaign, and this will lead to better results from your Facebook ads. Utilizing lookalike audience is a great strategy to generate massive traffic to your site and build a massive list of customers. To refine your lookalike audience, you need to test your ads using different selection of interests when you're building your ad. Once you've found the right set of lookalike audience and interest, it'll help in reducing the cost per conversion. The next strategy is breaking down your audience into various categories instead of defining it as a single entity. This will allow you to design and communicate specific messages to various audiences. Through this approach, you can potentially increase your audience engagement and improve conversions from each audience category separately. This approach will allow you to effectively target each audience with specific messaging instead of running a single ad campaign for both platforms. To determine which ad campaigns work better, you'll need to run a split test. 2 different ad campaigns mean both are targeted to different audiences to avoid any similarities in the result. You don't need a massive ad spend budget to cover a split test. Just put up your standard Facebook ads budget and split it between 2 different ad campaigns. Another approach you can do is to expand the age gap of your target audience. For example, I'm putting up an ad targeting tech-savvy users, and most advertisers will pick an age range of 18 to 44 years of age. By increasing the age gap, you'll be lowering the cost per conversion. Remember to test your ads, track its performance, and stop those that are not performing. Keep what's working and scale when you find the right formula. Good luck.